Federal High Court, Abuja, on Monday struck out the motion filed by sacked Governor David Umahi of Ebonyi seeking for a stay of execution of the March 8th judgment. Justice Ian Eko struck out the motion after Chukwuma Machuku Ume, SAN, counsel for Umahi, and his deputy Kelechi Igwe prayed the court for the withdrawal of the motion, and the People's Democratic Party lawyer Emmanuel Ukala, SAN, did not oppose the application. The motion for stay of execution was marked FAC/ABJ/CS/920/21 between PDP versus INEC and three others. Justice Ian Eko had on March 8 in a judgment ordered Umahi, his deputy Kelechi Igwe, and 16 lawmakers to vacate their office and seats following their defection from the PDP to All Progressives Congress (APC). The judge also directed the Independent National Electoral Commission to immediately receive from the PDP the names of its candidates to replace them, among others. On March 10th, Governor Umahi and others had sought an order of the FHC Abuja staying the execution of its judgment, directing them to vacate their offices over their defection to another political party. In a motion on notice filed by Ume, the applicants also prayed the court to stay the execution of its order directing INEC to receive another names in their place or hold a governorship election in accordance with Section 177 of the 1999 Constitution, pending the hearing and determination of the appeal dated and filed on March 9th by the appellants, among others. Ume also sought a withdrawal of the stay of execution motion filed on behalf of the lawmakers. At the resumed hearing, Ume informed the court of his intention to withdraw the two motions for stay of execution dated March 9th on the grounds that an appeal had been entered at the Court of Appeal on the matter. Counsel for the PDP, Emmanuel Ukala, SAN, did not oppose the application. In short, ruling, Justice Eko struck out the matter. Okay, oh my. I mean, why people are busy protesting, taking over the state. These judgments, if upheld by the higher courts, will go a long way to strengthen our democracy. By the way, must every governor and legislator belong to the ruling party? This will teach all of them a lesson, and we go a long way to strengthen our democracy. These guys, they learn, no, forget them. They will look for another miss. Direct points on point. Yeah, it's a good point. Anyway, it is apparent this judge has a mission that is outside of law, even where governors lose at the election tribunal that is direct to their being in position, they are always allowing to stay in office pending appeal. But this judgment, or this judge saying this, means he has a personal score to settle. Please, why can't you read and understand before commenting, or you just want to be among those that will say something? What did the judge say before casting aspersion on the judge? At this point, no court has the jurisdiction to hear Umahi's case because he has lost his mandate as a PDP governor and cannot stand on APC ground that was defeated to approach any court. Such is the frailty of human greatness. APC is alien to the Ebonyi state, or alien to Ebonyi state, who disgrace them with their votes. Well, Mr. Lawyer, you must be very empty. So if others do, so must he. If he was doing wrong, why are there not other lawyers and judges complaining? God bless you. He has taken much money from the PDP. Which money? Thanks, my good brother. They are hypocrites and jobless. Please, why can't you read and understand before commenting? Okay. Well, it still remains sacked. All the protests here and there is for protesting sake, because it owes no water. They are doing everything possible. doing everything possible. We know most of those protests is just, most of the time, is just to intimidate the lawyers. The reason why we're having problem, and we'll continue to have problem until we do the needful, until we go to the basis and do the right thing. If we don't do the right thing, if we like pray from now to eternity, if we like be jumping from pillar to post, they know the right thing to do. They know what is obtainable, but because of a impunity, because of their lawlessness, they will always be patching all of these things. Then before you know it, they will be cherry picking. Oh, let us, okay, this one is okay. Oh, this one is not okay. That is it. Okay, in this case, we are going to do this. The country is rotten. At the end of the day, it baffles me because we always say we are Africans, we carry ourselves, we know what is right, we talk about courtesy, but I think all of those now have been thrown into the bin. All of those have been thrown into the bin. It's unfortunate. But well, you'll be seeing people or hearing people taking sides, which is not even going to favor them at the end of the day. When we saw the crowd that came out some days, they've been coming out, and you begin to wonder, you begin to wonder, were these the same people that voted him? Because now it's assumed that they are APC now. Oh my goodness. And some people are blaming the judge. Oh, yeah, he didn't do it well. He ought to have done it this way. This and that. He has a personal score to settle. Like, seriously, why is it score to settle? Follow things appropriately. Let's follow things appropriately. They will not hear. They will not hear. They want to do things in an abnormal way. And that's why we are having problem. We'll continue to have problem. At this point, no court has the power to hear Umahi'S case, okay, because he has lost his mandate as a PDP governor and cannot even stand on APC ground that was defeated to approach any court. Such is the frailty of human greatness. APC is alien to the Ebonyi state. Then you begin to wonder, who are the people that came out all this while, who have been protesting that Umahi must be restored, he must be this, he must that. Oh, he has done this, he has done this for our country. That's our state. It's inconsequential. It is inconsequential. Believe you me, it is inconsequential. It is inconsequential. But I hope this judgment will be, if they can uphold this to the end of the day, at the end of the day, it will be better. But if there's no manipulation, it will correct. If not, oh God, it's going to be disastrous.